Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store and customize the store on Shopify, about mindfulness guides business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you wanna skip this. I'm gonna just skip this. And let's continue. Now wait a few seconds to build in the store. So the first thing you have to do, go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change the themes if you want and customize them. So here you can choose any theme you want. So I'm gonna just skip this. Just click add and wait to install in the theme. After this you can click here publish and you can customize it on your home page. So click here customize and it will take you to your home page store. So here the first thing, here you can change the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this. This is the settings where you can design your site, your home page store. So first here we have the header, the announcement bar. So here you can change the color scheme. You can show separate line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also auto-rotate announcements. Here if you want to enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for something like collections. I'm gonna select all collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu. You can change the desktop menu type. Also you can change the sticky header. You can show separate line. Here you can change the color scheme. You can change the menu color scheme. Here if you want to enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. Also here you can here change the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section pattern, the top and the bottom. Here if you want to edit the theme settings, you can enable search suggestions. Here you can change the card type, and here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or whatever you want to add here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, to the next step, the logo. So here you have to select your logo from your library. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Mindfulness guides logo idea, like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. This is just for example. Of course you can change whatever you want. Of course this is you have to upload it from your library. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want. You can edit this, the vertical offset. You can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the image banner section. So here you have two images. You can select the first image from the browser. So for example, let's search on the first image from the browser, and the second image you can search on it from your free image or from your library. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. This is the first image. If you wanna explore free images more, you can just click here and search here, for example, mindfulness, and you can choose whatever you want here, this or this. I'm gonna just skip this this photo here. So that's it. You can here edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also here you can change the desktop content position. You can choose container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. Here you can change the color scheme. Also you can change the animations, the image behavior. You can turn this on, stack image on mobile. You can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading of the image banner. So here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Mindfulness. And here you can choose one of these suggestions, for example this. Here you can change the heading size. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. You can change the first button link. Here if you want to use outline button style. If you already add the second image, you can here add the second button label and the second button link. And also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the future collection. Here you can also generate the text, describe what this text is about. So choose one of these suggestions, and here you can generate the description. Just describe the text is about mindfulness guides. You can also describe more. This is just for example. You can describe whatever you want here. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Also you can change the collection or create your own collection. Here you can make products full width. If you want to enable view all if collection has more products than shown. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the product card, image ratio, and the image shape. Here you can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show product region, and also you can enable quick add button. You can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. So here you can change the color scheme. Also you can manage this image sign up. You can show image sign up. You can generate the heading here. Here you can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing websites, all you have to do now is click here. And now let's go to the home, to the dashboard. The next step is name your store. After you add your first products and customize your online store, next step is naming your store. So like this, here you can type any name you like. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can change the store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. And the last step is launch your online store and publish it easy and quick. So that's it, how to customize your store and publish it for mindfulness guides business easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.